is that they call it macaroni. Yankee-doodle, keep it up, Yankee-doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step and make the girls be handy. Yankee-doodle. Yes, folks, that was America's first popular song. And that's what this show is all about. America's music.
Where'd the songs come from, Sam?
Why, they were the songs that people brought from their native countries.
They did? What kind of music was it?
Sometimes it was happy, sometimes it was sad. And sometimes it just spoke of love, like, I dream of Jeannie with the light brown hair.
Ooh, very nice. But frankly, I prefer all around the copper's edge, the monkey chased the weasel, the monkey thought was all in phony.
And now, let's travel on through history and hear America sing.
Sing it, Sam.
Yankee-doodle traveled south, riding on a riverboat. Played a tune and sang it out and sounded like a silly goat. Yankee-doodle liked the South, sang their song so near. Thought they were most elegant for everyone to hear. Yankee-doodle, sing it up, the Yankee-doodle band. I'm the tailor working, that's all be handy.
The Swamp Boys. And now a tender complaint, sung from the heart.
Stay.
And now let's journey on. That away.
Yep, you all. Yankee Doodle headed west, working on the railroads, crossing rivers over hills and moving with a big load. Onward west the trains rolled, where cattle were grazing. The tales and songs the people sang were really quite amazing. Yankee Doodle singing up, Yankee Doodle dandy, playing the music and the words and with the songs behind it.
Beyond the Bunbury Way and will you carry his bill? I've been working on the railroad all the live long day. I've been working on the railroad to pass the time away. Here she comes, the railroad. There she goes, in that hole.
And now, saddles o'er Swanson.
Yeah. Well, come along, boys, and listen to my tale, and I'll tell you all my troubles on the old chisel trail. Tam-a-tie-yi, yippee, yay. Come and tie-yi, yippee, now I went to the boss to draw my roll, and he had me figured $9 in the hole. Ay.
Who shot that hole in my sombrero? Who put that bullet through my head? Who shot that hole in my sombrero? Who would do a terrible thing like that? I can't figure who pulled that trigger. You don't reckon my old wife could be back in town?
The tail end of Billy the Kid, sung by the Boot Heel Boys.
Billy was a bad guy and carried a big gun.
He was always after lawmen and kept them on the run.
One day he met a bandit.
Who was a whole lot better. Now Billy's dead and gone, and we ain't got the silver.
Oh, give me a land where the brine I'm sand flows leisurely down the stream, where the graceful white swan goes gliding along like a maid in a heavenly dream. Home on the range,
There's my wandering boy tonight, down in the licensed saloon.
Learning new vices all the night long, tempted to all that's sinful and wrong, listening to the siren's old song, down in the licensed saloon. Won't you come home, little baby? Won't you come on home? You won't go home now. I'll do the cooking, honey. I'll pay the rent. I know something I'll do wrong. I broke that rain. I drove you out. When I'm to go home. I know the toss the rail wheel. Ain't that a shame? Now, baby, won't you please come home? Come on home, Bill.
And now, Blossom knows Murphy.
Sweet Adeline, sweet Adeline, my Adeline, and thy dear heart, for you I pine, for you I pine.
Don't you believe it, Sonny? She's only a bird in a gilded cage.
A beautiful sight to see.
You may think she is happy and free from care.
She's not, though she seems to be.
Everyone stop. Swing your band for the race. Most pleasing. Rock and roll soon took its toll. The dancers stopped to squeeze. Sing it up, oh Yankee Doodle Dandy. Find the music and the words and with the songs behind it.
I
alligator. After a while, crocodile. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile.
Yankee-doodle, sing it, oh Yankee-doodle dandy. Find the music and the words and put the song behind it.
Says the past is just the start. Tomorrow will bring songs to you that come straight from the heart. Another thing he had to say was life is just a song. So everybody get in tune and let's all sing along. Should old acquaintance be